Good morning student. Welcome to your SSC class. Today I am going to explain the new chapter, the history chapter 9. The title of the chapter is The Flowering of Regional Culture. The medieval period is considered as an age of culture synthesis in India. During this period, the Turks and the Mughals introduced fresh ideas and helped in giving rise to new features in the area of religion, philosophy, language and literature, style of architectures, painting and fine arts, music and performing art, etc. Language and literature. India's diverse regional language and various festivals, forms of dance and music, dresses and food items evolved during the medieval period. In this chapter, we will study some of the historical processes which shaped the regional culture of certain parts of India. Malayalam literature of Kerala. The ancient Chera dynasty of Kerala had links with the Pandyas and Chola dynasties of ancient Tamil Nadu. Till about the 18th century, Malayalam, the local language of Kerala, was influenced by Tamil, the form of Karnataka, migrated to Kerala in a large number. They built temples which became centers of Sanskrit culture. Around the 9th century, Kerala came under a new line of Chera rulers called the Perumals, who set up their capital at Mahayodhyapuram. The Perumals promoted Sanskrit culture and the influence of Sanskrit on Malayalam increased. Malayalam script in the 19th century was based on Tamil script. An example of this script was found in inscription of the time from Vajapalli in Kerala. Is a Lilathakam, a 14th century work on Malayalam grammar, was written in Manipravalam style, which show the growing influence of Sanskrit on Malayalam. Manipravala literally means a combination of gem and coral. Jam refers to a Dravidian language, in this case Malayalam, and coral represents Sanskrit. Modern Malayalam literature had its beginning around the 16th century. Tribal influence on religious worship in Odisha. Lord Shiva was widely worshipped in Odisha till the rise of the Ganga dynasty. Anantavaram Chongadeva, a Ganga ruler, rose to prominence in the 11th century. He built a large number of Vishnu temples. In the 12th century, Antavaram began building the famous Jagannath temple at Puri. The temple was possibly completed by his grandson. The Jagannath temple was highly respected by the people of Odisha. So all who conquered Odisha afterwards, like the Afghan Nawabs of Bengal, the Mughals and the Marathas and the British, protected its interests. Jagannath is believed to have been a tribal deity who came to be identified with Lord Krishna. Along with Jagannath, his brother Balbhadra and sister Subhadra are also worshipped in the Jagannath temple. The idols are actually roughly curved logs of wood on which large eyes are painted, and stems are attached to represent arms. No idols are made every 12 years, and the old ones are buried. The famous Rath Yatra festival is celebrated annually in June or July, while three enormous wooden raths bearing the idol are drawn in a procession through the streets of Puri. Thank you, class.